What a great car this is. Mixing things up with our four-wheel drives. This has just arrived. First one we've ever had, and what a car it is. Self-charging 2.5 litre petrol Toyota Highlander. This is the XL model. It's 7 seats. It's fully loaded. It's done 14,000 miles. Full Toyota service history. And it's really, really impressed us, this car. Look at it. It's big. It's imposing. It's in premium blue metallic. Now, this is a self-charging hybrid car, 2.5 litre petrol. You don't need to plug it in. It'll just effortlessly switch between electric and petrol, providing you the best performance, best fuel efficiency. It's a big car. It's got 7 seats. It really is. The finishes around this car are absolutely fabulous. Toyota, of course, having a really, really good reputation for engines, for build quality, especially for reliability, and this one's no exception. But look how big this car is. That's one of the biggest things about this. It's the space element. Massive boot, 7 seats for full-size passengers. It's incredible, this boot space. When we see lots of big cars, Q7s, X7s, this one for me has probably got the same capacity as those cars, but it's such a great price. Full leather interior, full panoramic glass sunroof. This car's got smartphone integration, navigation, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, reversing camera. It's 248 horsepower, 8 seconds 0 to 60 from the 2.5 litre petrol. But the hybrid gives it really great fuel efficiency, increases power. JBL sound system, lovely finishes with the leather doors. You've got electric memory seats for driver. Just a great car. It's automatic, it's 4-wheel drive. It's been serviced by Toyota, it's been looked after properly, and you get a great warranty situation with these cars as well. So if you're looking for a 7-seat vehicle that's big, great driving position. Obviously I've started the car, there's no noise. It's currently starting straight in electric mode. Down here we've got heated steering wheel, you've got your boot release. Of course we've got your cruise control, lane departure warnings, digital interface behind the steering wheel. And then we've got this lovely Toyota interface. We see this a lot in our vehicles that we sell, the Hiluxes, the Toyota Land Cruisers. Same interface, but really easy to use, crystal clear, reversing camera, heated front seats, digital climate control, smartphone integration. You've got the electric vehicle mode button here to drive it fully electric if you want to, and just an automatic gearbox, lots of space inside, leather seats, sunroof, powered blind, just a great car for the money. I think if you're looking for something that's 7 seats, it's a little bit different. There is a massive, massive Toyota following, and this vehicle's pretty rare. We've priced it properly. It's a lovely order, 20-inch wheels, big, nice, hybrid electric car. On the website now. My name's Richard. If you're interested in this vehicle, use my number on the screen and give me a call. I'd love to speak to you. Thanks for watching.